Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. In today's video, it's about a very small haul from Avon. Avon been around for a long time. I think it's 136 years, and it's been a while that I haven't done Avon. I'm doing this Avon haul because there is a collaboration coming up with Aged Graceful. If you need any more information, you can check her out on Instagram. It is Aged Graceful, and she's doing Memories of Avon in a collaboration. If you'd like to join, check her out on Instagram and give her your information so you could be part of this collab. It's our Memories of Avon, what we had liked from Avon, what memories we had about Avon. Me, I was an Avon lady. For over 16 years. So I sold Avon stuff, perfumes, the makeup. Some of the makeup didn't really match our skin back then, but the lipsticks. My favorite lipstick was Cherry Jubilee, but when I placed this order, they didn't have it, so I ordered something else so I can take part in this collaboration. Again, Aged Graceful. She has a YouTube channel, and you can check out on Instagram if you want to be part of this collaboration. With all of that said, let's see what I got. I bought a couple things, not much. This is a very short video. I purchased the Avon True Color Matte Eyeshadow Quad. This is what it looks like in the packaging. In the back, it tells you how to use the eyeshadow right here. Let's see what color I got. Take it out from here. And it comes with one of these sponge applicators. It has a mirror, and then these are the colors that is in the quad. So I'll be using that in the collab because it's going to be all Avon stuff. The second thing I get was the lipstick. To me, the lipstick looks different than back in the day when I used to sell Avon. This is the color. Hopefully I'm not holding it upside down. Okay, this is the color I got. Because my favorite, which is Cherry Jubilee, was not available. I couldn't find it. The Avon website is different. So this is what the packaging looks like. This is pretty. I don't remember it coming like this back in the day. It wasn't like this, but this is the color I got. And let me swatch it. Let me see. Let's swatch to see what it looks like. I remember Poppy. Poppy was a very common color, so that's why I took it when I didn't see Cherry Jubilee. So I don't know. Then I got the mascara. It is a waterproof mascara. And then the glimmer stick, blackest black glimmer stick. I started opening it, as you can see. So that's that. Those are the 4 things I got to do this Avon collaboration. One is upside down. So that's it. Small haul for a collaboration coming up on May 18th. If you want to be part of this collaboration for May 18th, please check Aged Graceful on Instagram and let her know you want to be part of the collab. Again, that's it. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self, and I will see you in another video. Bye! Bye, bye, bye. See you, see you, see you, see you, see you.